how to share YouTube link in Instagram story. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and find the video you want to share. After that, open the video and click on the share button below the video and select the copy link option. After that, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the top left corner. Then choose any media from your gallery as your background. Following this, click on the sticker icon at the top and select the link sticker. Now paste the YouTube link in the provided box. Additionally, if you like, click on the customize the sticker text option and enter a title that will appear on your story. After that, hit done. Finally, position the sticker wherever you want and click on your story to share it. Now your followers can click on the sticker to watch the video directly from your story. And that's all. I hope this video helped.